Today I will show you how to fold a shooting star. In this video I make the tail of the star with one bill, but you will need to make the star first to have a shooting star at the end. If you want to know how to make the star with $5 bills, then watch my linked video. Now we're gonna start with the tail. Fold your dollar bill in half lengthwise. We use the crease as a reference line. Open the bill back up. Now fold the edges to the center crease. Then fold this part of the bill to the outside. Do the same with the other side. Flip the bill around. Fold the edges to the center crease. Flip the bill around. And fold the bill lengthwise again. Open your foldings now. Fold the two corners on the left side to the center crease. Now fold your bill together again, like an accordion. And you are done with the tail. Now take your star, which one you folded before. A video how to fold a star is linked at the beginning of this video or in the video description. Now push the top of the tail in one of the pockets. Turn down the tail and turn both around. And your shooting star is done. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. And now have fun folding a shooting star. See you next time!